Hello, Bill and Son. This is Lee MacDonald, Nanaimo Toyota. This is the 2016 TRD Off Road 4Runner. Body's in fantastic shape. It's got KO2 tires on it. Panels really, like, I can't see anything wrong with this at all. It's just really sharp looking ride. Aesthetically, just a little bit of dirt right there. Very minor corrosion on the wheel. Lots of tread left. Super clean interior. No weird smells. Definitely not been smoked in. Power driver seats. Leather. Sunroof. Heated seats. Power rear window. Crawl control. All that good stuff. Should come check this one out. It's definitely worthy. Lee MacDonald, Nanaimo Toyota, 250-741-4525.